compound angle. When an angle is made up by sum or difference of two or more angles, then it is called compound angle. Thus, if A and B are two angles, then A plus B and A minus B are all compound angles. Here are three addition formulae. First is sine of A plus B, that is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. And the second addition formula is for cos A plus B, that is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And the third formula is tangent of A plus B, that is equal to tangent A plus tangent B upon 1 minus tangent A tangent B. With the help of allied angles, we can find trigonometry ratios of 120 degree, 135 degree, 150 degree, but not of 75 degree, 105 degree or 15 degree. But with the help of compound angles, we can find these trigonometry ratios. Let's find these on whiteboard. Suppose we have to find sine 75 degree. If we try it to find it by allied angles, then we can write it sine 90 degree minus 15 degree and it will come out to cos 15 degree. But 15 degree we don't know. So these angles for trigonometry ratios can be found out by compound angles. We will break this angle into such two angles whose values are known. 75 degree can be break into 45 degree plus 30 degree, and the formula for sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. It means sin 45 degree cos 30 degree plus cos 45 degree sin 30 degree, and the value of sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, and the sin 30 is 1 by 2. So it comes out to be root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Similarly, we can calculate cos 75, tangent 75 or tangent 105 degree by breaking it into tangent 60 degree plus 45 degree. Next are subtraction formulae. First is for sine of A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, and the second is for cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, and the third is tangent of A minus B, that is equal to tangent A minus tangent B upon 1 plus tangent A tangent B. With the help of subtraction formulae, we can find the trigonometry ratios of 15 degree. 15 degree can be written as 45 degree minus 30 degree. Again applying the formula, it is sin 45 degree cos 30 degree minus cos of 45 degree sin of 30 degree. By putting values, sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So it is root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Now with the help of allied angles and compound angles, we can find the trigonometry ratios of any angle which is of multiple of 15 degree. 15 degree we know, 30 degree we know, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree, 105 degree, 120, 135, 150 and so on. And there are two product formulae. First is sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b, that is equal to sine square a minus sine square b or cos square b minus cos square a. And the second product formula is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, that is equal to cos square a minus sine square b or cos square b minus sine square a. Let's take some example on these addition and subtraction formulae on whiteboard. For example, find cos 80 degree cos 10 degree minus sin 80 degree sin 10 degree. We know cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is cos a plus b, so it is cos of 80 degree plus 10 degree. Cos of 90 degree and cos 90 degree is 0. Another example is find tangent 66 degree plus tangent 69 degree upon 1 minus tangent 66 degree into tangent 69 degree. Here we can apply addition formula, tangent A plus tangent B upon 1 minus tangent A tangent B. So it will be tangent 66 degree plus 69 degree. It is tangent of 135 degree, and tangent 135 degree can be calculated with the help of allied angles. It can be written as 180 degree minus 45 degree. In second quadrant tangent is negative, so negative sign here, and with 180 degree tangent will remain tangent, so it is minus tangent 45 and minus of 1. So tangent 66 degree plus tangent 69 degree upon 1 minus tangent 66 degree into tangent 69 degree is minus 1. Let's take another example. Show that tangent of 70 degree is equal to cos 28 degree minus sin 28 degree upon cos 28 degree plus sin 28 degree. Tangent 17 degree can be written as tangent 45 degree minus 28 degree. Apply here the formula for tangent A minus B. It will be tangent 45 degree minus tangent 28 degree upon 1 plus tangent 45 degree into tangent 28 degree. Tangent 45 degree is 1, so it is 1 minus tangent 28 upon 1 plus tangent 28. We want result in terms of sine and cosine, so we can write tangent 28 is sine 28 degree upon cos 28 degree by taking LCM. it comes out to be cos 28 degree minus sin 28 degree cos 28 degree plus sin 28 degree, which we have to show. Let's take another example. Prove that tangent of 65 degree is tangent 25 degree plus 2 tangent 40 degree. Solution is tangent 65 degree can be written as tangent 25 plus 40 degree. We have break here 65 degree into 25 plus 40 because in answer we want 25 and 40. Now applying the formula for tangent A plus B, it is tangent 25 degree plus tangent 40 degree upon 1 minus tangent 25 degree tangent 40 degree. By cross multiplying, it will be tangent 65 minus tangent 65 into tangent 25 degree into tangent 40 degree equal to tangent 25 degree plus tangent 40 degree. First we break 65 degree in 25 degree plus 45 degree, then we have apply formula, addition formula, and then cross multiply. We get this. Now tangent 25 degree can be written as tangent 90 degree minus 65 degree. By applying concept of allied angle, in first quadrant tangent is positive and with 90 degree tangent will change into cot. So it will be tangent 25 degree will be cot 65 degree. Now we have studied tangent and cot are reciprocal of each other. So tangent 65 into cot 65 is 1. It is minus tangent 40 degree equal to tangent 25 degree plus tangent 40 degree. Transposing this term to the right hand side, we get tangent 65 degree is equal to tangent 25 degree plus 2 tangent 40 degree, which we have to prove. Let's take next example on basis of product formula. Prove that sine square pi by 8 plus x by 2 minus sine square pi by 8 minus x by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2 sin x. Solution is taking left hand side sine square pi by 8 plus x by 2 minus sine square pi by 8 minus x by 2. Here we can apply the product formula sine square a minus sine square b, that is equal to sine a plus b into sine a minus b, means sine pi by 8 plus x by 2 plus pi by 8 minus x by 2 into sine pi by 8 plus x by 2 minus pi by 8 plus x by 2. X by 2 and x by 2 will cancel out. Pi by 8 plus pi by 8 is pi by 4. Here pi by 8 and pi by 8 will cancel out. X by 2 plus x by 2 is x, and sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, so it is 1 by root 2 sine x, which is equal to right hand side, and hence the result. Next example is prove that cos square pi by 4 plus x by 2 minus sin square pi by 4 minus x by 2 is independent of x. Solution is by taking left hand side here we can apply second product formula. Cos square a minus sin square b is cos a plus b into cos a minus b. So it is pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus pi by 4 minus x by 2 into cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 minus pi by 4 plus x by 2, and x by 2 cancel out. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2. Here pi by 4 and pi by 4 is cancel out, it will be cos x, and cos pi by 2 is 0. So it is independent of x, which we have to prove.